everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to link NexusPay with bKash account. So let's start with the first one, which is to open NexusPay account linking. So just open it and navigate to the Accounts tab at the bottom, and then tap on Link Your Account to see available mobile wallets that you can connect. So you will see options for bKash, Nagad, and Rocket, which is a DBBL. So just tap on Add Next to bKash to begin the linking. Next is go ahead and enter your bKash mobile number. Now on the link bKash account form, you have to enter your bKash mobile number with the +880 country code, followed by your number, like for example, 01 and then the rest. So you can also enter the account holder name exactly as registered with bKash, and then tap on verify to proceed. Next is go ahead and verify with OTP. So NexusPay will send a 6-digit OTP or one-time password to your bKash registered mobile number. So you must enter the OTP in the input boxes and tap verify OTP. And then a countdown timer shows how long until you can request a new code if needed. Next is for the final authorization, you have to enter your bKash PIN using the on-screen keypad. So this step confirms that you are the rightful owner of the bKash account being linked. So the security lock icon indicates this is a secure authorization process. Lastly is a green checkmark confirms bKash account linked, so your bKash account is now successfully connected to NexusPay. You can also transfer money between both platforms seamlessly, and then tap Done to return to the home screen. So just a pro tip, you can unlink your bKash account anytime from NexusPay settings, and then just go ahead and go to the linked accounts and then unlink your bKash account. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!